Good day, Miss Vanessa. How are you today?
I'm fine, sir, madam.
Please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir, madam. My name is Vanessa Cabanero, 29 years old. I'm married with three kids. My husband is construction. I have two brothers. My father is farmer. My mother is domestic helper. I'm high school graduate. I have worked housemaid in Philippines to 2 years since January 2009 until 2011. My major duties are baby care, age 2 years old.
Can you tell us your daily activities in taking care of baby?
I have to feed the baby, change diaper, taking bath, and I love baby very much and treat the baby as my own child.
Aside for taking care of baby, what are your other duties from your previous employer?
To do cleaning, ironing, car washing, sir, madam.
What do you think is the reason why the baby is crying?
Sir, madam, maybe she hungry or not feeling well.
Do you know how to cook?
Yes, sir, madam.
What kind of dishes you can prepare?
Filipino food dishes, sir, madam.
Do you know how to go to market and do the marketing?
Yes, sir, madam.
Do you know the responsibilities of being domestic helper?
Yes, sir, madam.
So why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
For my future of my children, sir, madam.
Do you have any last message for your future employer?
I hope, sir and madam, will consider to employ me. I promise to do my best to serve your family. Thank you, sir and madam.
Are you willing to finish your 2 years contract?
Yes, sir, madam.
Thank you very much. And up to season in Hong Kong. Before we end, kindly show your best smile.